Hello guys, welcome to the sixth section of Android application tutorials, integrating with third-party APIs. In this section, we will discuss what is an API and how fit it in Java. We will also look into what is REST API, then we will build REST API and parse our REST API with retrofit. At the end, we will syncing data with interactors. So, without wasting any further time, let's move to our first topic, which is REST API design. In this video, we will learn about APIs. Recap. In the last section, we have implemented the clean architecture. And in this video, our focus will be on what an API is and how API fit in Java. Then we will also look into what is REST API. So let's start. What is an API? API is abbreviation of Application Programming Interface. It's a set of subroutine definitions, different protocols, and different tools for building application software. Reason API is quite popular is because using an API it becomes more easy for programmer to build an application, as well as use different technologies without using needed to know how internal implementation work. An API make it easy for developer to use different technologies in building application by using certain predefined operations. Key feature: if you have an API that performs certain operation, then you don't need to rewrite it again and again. It reduces the size of the code as well, and how different environment communicate with the API you can see in the picture given. Here we have a common API and different template, web app, gaming console, mobile devices, smartphone, and many more applications are connected with the same API and sharing the same feature. So now API in Java. An API in Java is a collection of pre-written packages, classes, and interfaces with their respective methods, fields, and constructors. In Java, there are over 5,000 plus API available for developer. They are ready to use and user can embed it and use it. To know more about these APIs, you can go for Oracle implementation and link is given. On this given link, you can get more about these APIs in Java. So what is REST API? REST stands for Representational State Transfer. It is a web standard-based architecture and uses HTTP protocol for data communication. It is something use less bandwidth. Due to its less bandwidth usage, it is extensively used in cloud domain and now one of the key factors used while developing cloud services. HTTP methods. Most commonly HTTP methods are get, put, delete, and post. Get. It takes only read-only access of resources. Resource can be object, variable, methods, and anything. Like in this example, I will take object of a project list. So it will get one project item or list of all project items from the server. Put is creating a new resource, means we'll create a new project item. Delete a specific resource, means it can delete one project item specified by delete ID. Post, it update the existing project item, and if it's not available, then it create a new resource item. Now you have a basic concept of REST API. So in our next video, we will move to practical implementation of REST API. So our next video is creating a simple REST API. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.